Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a summary block auto scroll in Squarespace 7.1. This is a fantastic way to create dynamic, engaging content that automatically cycles through your posts or images, giving your website a more modern and interactive feel. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First things first, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the website you want to edit. After logging in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all the websites connected to your account. Take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to make the summary block auto scroll and click on it. This will open up the editing interface for that particular site. Now, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see several options listed there, but for this task, you need to click on Website. Once you click that, a submenu will appear underneath it. From those options, click on Pages. This section allows you to manage all the pages and content blocks on your site. You'll now see a list of your pages. Look for the Edit button, which is typically located near the top of the page list, and click it. This takes you into the page editor, where you can modify the layout and content of your site in real time. Next up, locate the summary block you want to make auto scroll. Summary blocks display collections of content, and they're pretty versatile. Once you've found it, click the pencil icon that appears when you hover over the block. This opens up the block's settings. Inside the Settings menu, navigate to the Design tab. Here's where you can control how your summary block looks and behaves. Change the layout option to Carousel. This layout is specifically designed to rotate through content automatically, which is exactly what we're aiming for. After selecting Carousel, click Save to apply your changes, and then click the Exit button to return to the page editor. Now we need to add some custom code to make the carousel auto scroll. Click the gear icon that appears beside the page name, which opens the page settings from the drop-down menu. Select Advanced. This is where you can inject custom code into specific pages. I already have the code ready for you, so feel free to pause the video right now and copy it from the description below. Take your time with this step. Once you've copied the code, paste it into the field labeled Page Header Code Injection. This tells Squarespace to run that code specifically on this page, enabling the auto scroll feature for your carousel. After pasting the code, click Save to finalize everything. And there you have it. Your summary block will now auto scroll, creating a smooth, automated browsing experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.